Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz GLA 2.1 GLA 200d Sport Premium Plus 7G-DCT, which is a diesel automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in iridium silver metallic. To start off with, then you have LED high performance headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 18-inch 5-spoke vanadium silver alloy wheels, really complementing the iridium silver exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you can find you've got an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a large amount of boot space you could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a weekly shop. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Artico leather finished in black. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats in this vehicle are electronically adjustable, and as well as being this, they are also memory seats, allowing you to save that comfortable position once you have found it. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and located on your steering column you are able to find your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 76,071 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need, including your FM radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. As well as this, you also have your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And you also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, and as well as this you also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on the Mercedes-Benz GLA 2.1 GLA 200d Sport Premium Plus 7G-DCT that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.